Welcome to TemsDrones, where innovation meets the skies. We are at the forefront of providing cutting-edge drone and AI solutions across Nigeria. From capturing the vibrant life of our towns and cities to offering real-time monitoring and progress reports for construction projects, ensuring that every brick is in place, whether you're near or far. Our advanced AI technology analyzes every detail, from material quantities to project progress, making sure your investments are on track. We also identify and address infrastructure needs, pinpointing areas that require repair to keep our roads safe and efficient. Security is paramount. Our Covert drone surveillance provides crucial insights in high-risk areas, enhancing safety and response times. Maintaining connectivity is vital. Our drones monitor telecommunication assets, ensuring seamless communication across the nation. At TemsDrones, we also invest in the future. Our comprehensive training programs in drone piloting, AI, robotics, and more empower the next generation of innovators. Join us at TemsDrones, where we elevate possibilities and transform visions into reality. To learn more about our services, visit us at www.temsdrones.com. Together, let's soar to new heights.